look at how we can trade gold on the lower time frames. But before we go to the lower time frames, we'll take a look at what has happened on the higher time frame. I'll start with the pivot analysis. On the daily time frame, we can see that price opened above the pivot level. The pivot level is at 2315.73. Price opened above that level, and price is attempting to get to the first resistance, which is at 2340.09. But if price is unable to get to that level and crosses below the pivot level, which is below the 2315, then we might see price testing this first support, which is at 2297.14. But for now, it looks as if price is going to go up because of yesterday's pin bar. Yesterday's candles pin bar, which is a bullish candle. It's going to be bullish up to an extent before dropping. Already we can see a point of reversal on the chart. Talking about this point of reversal, right? It's already showing us that it's going to drop for now. Look at this particular reversal point on the screen. We have the first top, the second top, okay, and we have the break of the neckline around here. Price currently be testing that level. Might see it go above there a bit, then drop. All right. But for now, this particular order block is being respected. The sellers, the buyers came in at this other block where we have this pin bar wick, the candle wick, test the 2297 level, and then price going back up to gather more sellers, and then price is going to expected to drop. All right, so that's that for pivot analysis. Let's quickly look at what has happened on the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, the monthly candlestick rose up to as high as 2431.41, which is the all-time high. But for now, price has dropped well below the average, well below the midpoint, and price attempting to go back up. But look at this previous candlestick is an institutional candlestick which propelled the following candlestick to push up. All right, so but for now the month is still going on. Let's see how it turns out. But if the bears step in with full force and start to sell, we might see price come to this other block, which is the 2055 level, where buyers will be waiting. Remember, we have this particular level as the resistance here, and price broke the level. So we might see this resistance level turn to support for buyers to step in and push price back up. What am I talking about? We might see price dropping as low as 2055, and then we might see buyers step in for resistance to turn to, for previous resistance to turn to current support, and price might continue to go up. But that's a projection. It may take a long time for it to happen. But let's see how it pans out. On the weekly time frame, you can see price forming evening star candlestick pattern. Evening star candlestick pattern is a reversal pattern for PS steps in and push price down. But for now, we have this particular order block around here. We have this other block which is at the 2178 on the weekly time frame. Buyers might step in around this point to push price up. But for now, the overall trend is bullish. But we are starting to see the possible end of the trend around here. Might reverse and retrace up to this point before price continue to go up. But for now, overall direction is bullish, and price is dropping for now. That's for the weekly time frame. Let's look at what has happened on the daily time frame. The daily time frame, like I analyzed earlier, we have already seen that we have a turning point established where we have this top and this top, double top, and price has already broken the neckline. This the neckline has been broken, and we are seeing what we are looking at is a retest of that neckline for price to drop further. Okay, if price is going to drop, we have the next order block at 2175, which coincides with the weekly order block. All right, but for now, this order block is already been tested. I'm talking about the 2394 order block that has been tested. This is testing. The next drop will definitely drop past that level and continue downwards, but we don't know where exactly it will find buyers for it to start to go up. But that's that for the daily time frame. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame, you can see an obvious, this is a top, this is another top, and we can see a leg, bearish leg, which is much more longer than what we have around here. And we see buyers trying to come in, but we know definitely that buyers might push it up a bit, up to which Fibonacci level. We might see buyers push it up to the 38.2% Fibonacci level, which is at that's at 2339 level, or we might see buyers push it up to the 50% Fibonacci level, which is at 2354.42 level, before price starts to drop. We might see price drop here, or we might see price get to this level and drop, or we might even see price get to the 61.8% Fibonacci level, which is at 2370 area before price drops. But for now, price has found support and buyers around this level. Buyers came in at this level, and the sellers, the candlesticks are quite longer around here, and that's engulfed all whatever that has happened here. So we might see price dropping further. So that's that for the 4-hour time frame. Let's quickly take a dive to the 1-hour time frame and see what is likely to happen. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see a high, then a low, then this is a lower high, and this is a lower low up to this point. But what we are looking at currently is a lower high. Now we can see that price is giving us more like a higher low. Either we see the higher high or a much more lower low. All right, but now price is likely direction for now is for price to go down. If it goes up, it might just be for a bit, but the likely direction is bearish. On the 30 minutes time frame, what do we have on the 30 minutes time frame? Let's take a look at what we have on the 30 minutes time frame. The 30 minutes time frame shows that price is bearish. Okay, price is bearish. We have this trend line that has been broken. Trend line, we have a trend line break around here, and price got to this particular order block and is respected. I'm talking about this order block around here. It's been respected. Right, price buyers attempt to push. Let me see 2331.79 order block. Price got to it first, dropped, got to it, dropped, got to it. We might see price break above it, get to a point, then drop massively, more like a waterfall. Okay, but that's a speculation. But for see that this is holding. So a break above here would tell us where price is likely to go. We might possibly see price first of all break above to clear all the stop losses at the top, and then we might see price start to drop. Okay, price drops to this point, this particular point, we might see a double bottom. A double bottom where price picks up, and possibly a war or something might trigger the bulls to push price back up. But it's a likelihood, it's a speculation. Let's wait and see how market unfolds. On 15 minutes time frame, price seems to be stuck. Price is range. It's currently stuck in a range on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, the range top, this is range top, the range top. All right, range top is 2332. Range bottom is 2314. A break above 2332 or a break below 2314 will tell us where price is likely to go. But we might see price break above and then drop, break below, and then we might see price start to go up with a big force, or we might see price drop below first to clear all the stuff here. So, but whatever happens, let's keep our fingers crossed. For now, price is ranging without direction. On the lastly on the 5 minutes time frame, it's ranging. Okay, price is ranging, just like I said on the 15 minutes time frame. Let's wait for range breakout. But the likely direction is bearish. Bearish because we already have a push around here. Price push down to this point. So all we can see is a retracement. Okay, then we expect price to push the same depth, downwards. Price to push the same depth downwards. It's going to put the same depth downwards. That should be, we should be looking at if we put the same depth downwards, we should be looking at somewhere like 2211 level as where the price likely to hit, the target price likely to hit. Okay, but for now it's ranging. I'm suggesting bearish movement, but price, something can happen, anything can happen, and price can decide to go up. But for now, I suggest we look for selling opportunities. All right, that's that for today's video. Thank you to all our current subscribers. If you are to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Smash the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Also smash the bell button below the video for notification. Drop comment below the video, ask questions. We try as much as possible to respond to your questions. You can also smash the like button if you like the video. We have our website www.fxfables.com. You can visit our website to learn more on how to trade. Till I come your way tomorrow, it's bye for now.